Welcome to Main Addicts YouTube channel. Everyone's been asking me also what the Creator Collective is, and you guys, I basically have been following these amazing 6 stylists for probably a year and a half or 2 years now, maybe even longer. I started a Finsta account. I just really loved their work. I was a big fan.
Here's a men's hair tutorial. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, guys.
So I really wanted to connect my friends who needed their hair done, who were really like amazing trendsetters, and these amazing stylists, and we've been working together with Revolve for about 2 years now, and they are killing it. You guys probably already know them. If you don't, you can check out all of their bios on our website, and then you can also catch videos of them because we're going to show you behind the scenes and days in their lives because they are busy bees.
My name is Amanda. I'm from Rochester, New York, and I've been a stylist for 11 years.
My name is Cash Lawless. I was actually born in Northern California, but moved to the Dominican Republic when I was 7. I've been a hairstylist for 11 years.
My name is Kathleen Riley. I am from Massachusetts, a little town like an hour south of Boston, and I've been a hairstylist for about 4 or 5 years. My Barbie doll for sure.
The earliest memory I have of doing hair would be my own, when I first discovered gel.
Earliest memory, probably doing hair on my sister. She's 10 years younger than I am, so she was kind of like my little doll.
I used to do my grandma's highlights when I was really little, and she would pay me $20.
For sure, marry 90's updo. And then I feel like I would fool around with curtain bangs. And then I'd kill beach waves. I'm over it.
90's updo, like hands down. Marry beach waves, kill curtain bangs. Sorry.
Marry beach waves for sure, because they'll never go out of style. Fucking 90's updo, because that shit is hot, like when someone has it. And then kill curtain bangs, because I'm just not really into them.
Let me think about how I want to do this. What were the options again? I would 90's updo for sure. Yeah, I would marry beach waves and kill curtain bangs.
Cindy Crawford, like till the end of time, she is the queen.
Oh man, Luigi Moreno. You don't know who Luigi Moreno is? Oh my god, I freaking Vogue covers for the last 30 years.
Yeah, of course.
He's like, you know Luigi and Nyong'o, the photography duo.
Oh my god, no.
No? Look them up.
Okay, I will.
OMG. Look them up. Luigi Nyong'o, Luigi Moreno. I love you, Luigi. You're amazing.
God, Verushka. She like had the coolest hair. Pam Anderson, because her hair is, you know, voluminous, and her bangs, and she's just a whole vibe. I was in the salon kind of early years. I went to go grab my thinning shears to take weight out of the back, and I accidentally grabbed my scissors. So when I went to go shred the hair to take weight out, I took a big chunk of the hair, and it was like a bottom layer, so you didn't really notice it. I didn't say anything to anyone, and that client kept coming back for haircuts.
I went to go tone my like platinum blonde client's hair, and I had like the shaker bottles, and there was red hair dye in the tip of the bottle. It's like horrendous. So right when I squeezed it out on her head, I saw it immediately. It was red, and I just like got the water and started washing it out, but it didn't work. It stained her hair, and I had to spend like 2 hours trying to fix it, and she ended up like loving me in the end of it, and that was like 7 years ago, and she's still my client.
I carry multiple suitcases, which are my kit, and have all of my hair and my wigs and my tools and everything, products, and 2 of those weigh about 70 pounds each. Sometimes I ride a motorcycle to work, so I have to put those on a motorcycle.
I'm like a smoothie fanatic, so when I'm really busy at work, I will Postmates, Earth Bar, smoothies.
Espresso for sure, man. I have to drink like 3 espressos a day.
Is this like a margarita situation or like a protein shake situation? Because margarita is my favorite drink. I really love instant coffee, and I also travel with that. And I also have to have sugar-free creamer and Splenda or Truvia. I always need an energy boost, and I'm obsessed with Khalifa Farms, like on-the-go coffees. They're so yummy.
In my kit is my wind blower. I bring it everywhere with me, even if it's not really like something that's appropriate for a wind blower. I always bring it just in case. It really sets off a shoot, like one wispy hair going, and when you look at the pictures after, you're like, thank God for that one hair going like this. It's perfect.
Hairstylists always having wig tape in our bag really helps out the stylist a lot of times, because sometimes there's like a little too much boob coming out, or you need like wardrobe help, and a little wig tape can fix everything.
Tancho stick. I would want a Dyson Airwrap, duh. Is there electricity on this island? And then the third thing I would want is probably Way Super Dry Shampoo.
I would say R&Co Death Valley Dry Shampoo, Way Texturizing Spray, and Way Matte Pomade.
Coconut oil. Yeah, I would do coconut oil, 2 servings of coconut oil. The Way hair oil is like something I use on almost every style that I do. 7-second detangler by Unite, because I'd imagine not having any brushes or combs or things like that.
The Way Wave Spray, the Way Finishing Cream, and then the Way Rose Hair and Body Oil, because if I ever get saved, I want like, you know, wavy, good, beachy hair.
I get to go to Paris Fashion Week, which was a lifelong dream of mine.
The incredible people that I get to meet every time I go to a job. It's really inspiring to be around the people that are involved in this.
I loved the idea of the Maine Addicts Collective because it was more about like working together versus working against each other, and it's just an amazing group of people.
When I was in school still, I was like stalking Jen. This is before Maine Addicts even existed, and she held the first Maine Addicts class with Tracy, and I flew from Vegas to here after work. I was just obsessed with her. So when I knew that the Maine Addicts Collective was gonna be coming out, I was like praying to God that she was gonna choose me, and she did.
Wow, I'm trying to figure it out, really. Work-life balance. Work-life balance, I don't know if that exists, but I do my best to like chill out, and tonight I'm having a TV night where I'm watching Love Island all night.
Sailing. I am an avid lover of the ocean.
I go to the gym, I can shut my brain off and get a good sweat, and that like keeps me sane, and also just like lay on the floor with my dogs is my favorite thing in the world to do.
Definitely working out because I'm obsessed with it, and then just like chilling on my couch with my friends.
I handle unhappy clients in that I get ahead of them being unhappy.
Unhappy clients is tricky, but you really just have to like put yourself in their situation. Like if someone feels unhappy or like not confident with their hair, just do whatever you can to make it right. Like go the extra mile and really like show that you care. That goes a long way.
I have a whole arsenal, and I actually have another Finsta account that is just hair mood board vibes. So we usually go through there and like just pick things that we think will go good with their outfits.
I choose a lot of my looks from mood boards, Instagram, Pinterest. Actually, Maine Addicts has an amazing Pinterest board. I use it a lot in the salon because it has haircuts based on like short, medium, long hair colors. It's really nicely separated and makes it really easy for the client to get a good visual of what they want. You guys can find me on Instagram at Amanda Lee Hair.
You can reach me on Instagram at Kathleen_hair.
My Instagram handle is at Cash Lawless Hair, and you can find me there.
Okay guys, we want you to be a part of the Maine Addicts family, so make sure you're following us on Instagram, on Pinterest, right here on YouTube, because you never know, you could be the next creator in our collective.